the chicken tractor has been sitting back here in the woods a little bit, and we're getting ready. It's that time. The meat chickens are about to come out of the garage, and I want to get this out of the grass and kind of brought up by the garage so we can start working on it. You ready to help me, Jimmy?
Yeah.
All right. Good job. Ooh, careful, careful. There's a little more stuff right there.
Can't push it.
Looking for a rope. There we are. Couldn't find that. I'm gonna mow this for a minute.
I'll go too after you're done.
All right, I got the chicken tractor out of the weeds, and I'm just gonna put these two wheels on so I could bring this up the hill to the garage.
Up the hill to the what?
We're gonna bring it up the hill
Oh.
so we could get the tarp on it and everything.
Are you going to move it?
Yeah.
Are you going to move it so we can walk back? Is that right? I'll have you pull it with right foot. Hold on, I'll help you.
All right, ready?
Oh.
Turn it.
I'll put it in the back. I'll help you to put it back.
Good job. Good job.
I'll go back to the tether again.
Ready?
Yeah.
You want to go inside?
Yeah.
Okay.
I feel like a dinosaur walking in.
Okay, ready?
Oh, we got it.
You got it.
Chicken trap.
Done. For now.